Chelsea Eldridge with NBC News and reporting live from Eastridge High School where a tragedy happened earlier in the week. It seems a student has been kidnapped by a stalker who managed to infiltrate the school while posing as a student. We don't have much information about the stalker and who they could be, but we do have a few leads that could tell us exactly who this person is. If you have any information, please call the news station and we will be happy to investigate.
I've seen you before. You're a transfer student?
Oh, did you hear about that guy that got kidnapped? Like, I did. I feel so bad. It's so sad.
Hello world, this is NBC News and this is Chelsea Eldridge reporting live from Eastridge High School. Today, we are meeting with the survivor. She is here to tell us what happened. Amy, would you please share your story?
I was just outside minding my own business, hitting some rocks, until I just saw a figure behind me and started to try